I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a container and adding the 2 GTM snippets to every page. This is the foundation. Explain why. The container centralizes tag control so you don't edit code per tag. Once done, verify snippet loads in the head and body and make sure to set user roles for safe publishing. You'll also link your analytics/ads ID now so tags can send data. This first step reduces future deployment risk and lets you test tags without touching site code. Next, you build the logic. Tags fire, triggers decide when, and variables carry values. You create a tag for the goal, analytics page view, ads conversion, or custom HTML, and attach a trigger such as click or form submit so the tag fires only on relevant interactions. Define variables to pass dynamic values like product ID or transaction amount. Use data layer pushes for structured events. Make sure to test with preview mode so you can see which triggers and variables activate before. To finish, validate everything. Enter preview mode, exercise events, and inspect network calls in DevTools to confirm payloads and timing. Once confident, publish a container version with descriptive notes so you can roll back if needed. If something breaks, troubleshooting is systematic. First, confirm the container snippets are present, then verify triggers match event names and variables contain expected values. And finally, check data layer pushes for correct structure. This approach keeps deployments predictable and easy to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.